Hey, it's Bob here, and it's 7 years later. It's 2021. I'm just inserting this video because there's been a lot of questions that I've answered over the years here on this channel. There's been thousands of questions, and a reoccurring one is about what strings I'm plucking. Unfortunately, back then, I didn't have the ability to put up a graphic chart. I'm going to give you the chart right now. Here's the chart, and let me explain it to you. Let's start with the plucking hand first. So that first row right there is the counting. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and that's probably the most important part of music because that tells you when to play. All right, so that's the counting, and we'll get into a little bit of detail there. And then below it is the strings that we pluck. 4, 3, 2, 4, 1, 3, 2. Okay? And then the next part is the fingers that we're using, and the T stands for the thumb, the I stands for the index finger, and the M stands for your middle finger. One thing we will notice, and this was a big problem for a lot of students, is you could see that there's no strings that we're plucking on the and of 1. And what that note is, it's a rest note. And we're not doing anything on that note. We're letting it pass by. Let me just count this out, and I'll just show you where the rest is, okay? Put the guitar up here. I'm holding this D chord up here, this easy D. 1, rest, 2, and 3, and 4, and. Rest is very important. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, rest, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, rest, 2, and 3, and 4, and here's the strings. 4, rest, 3, 2, 4, 1, 3, 2, 4, rest, 3, 2, 4, 1, 3, 2. Here's the fingers. Thumb, rest, thumb, index, thumb, middle, thumb, index. And all of this is done holding down this easy D chord, or technically speaking, it's called a D sus2 chord. All right? And you could see in the chart here, the X's up top in this chord chart means that I'm not plucking those strings. And the IM right there means that we're using our index finger on the third string there. You could see it right underneath. And we're using our middle finger for this. And we've gone over that. So that's it. So the only other thing that other people have problems with is playing the chords on the left hand. And that's also a very big problem for beginners, just being able to get clean sounding chords. If you go right here, I have a lesson that is going to show you how to hold the guitar. So before you continue further and you're expounding on mistakes, or you're holding the guitar strangely and not getting clean sounding chords, why don't you take that lesson as well and then come back here and finish off the series. All right, so I hope this helps, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Next lesson is lesson 2.